Hey, being together nice and let me take your picture. Smile.
Oh, you got twins, huh?
Yeah.
You ever been to Twinsburg?
Yeah. We go every summer.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I saw something on, my wife and I were watching something on the Oprah Network.
Yeah. It's really something to see. I mean, it's really
Yeah, it looks like
amazing.
Yeah.
To see how many. I mean, we have twins that are 85 years old, that still dress white and do everything together, and then we see this. There's another twin little girls we see every year, and it's kind of nice. Every year we see each other.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah.